Personification.
Personification.
Personification. Personification. Personification. Personification. Personification.
Okay. Practice.
The practice of
Representing
a thing or idea as a person.
Okay.
She used the use of personification.
Okay.
The use of personification. And a story.
Okay. To describe representing a thing or idea as a person. Okay. Okay, you see, it said the cloud cannot a lazy roll, right? It's not an, okay. Here you describe the cloud like a person. Okay.
Clouds of noise. Mist, which rolled easily from one mountainside to another.
Okay. What does the example of personification
tell you?
Okay.
It suggests that the clouds are moving slowly.
Okay.
Submit.
Yeah. Okay.
Then I knew that evening.
Even. Evening. Okay. Even. Okay. Evening. Okay.
Evening.
Okay. Then I knew that
Evening. Even though nobody in the world figured that old car had any good
purpose. Okay, OB, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's a name.
OB knew these. There was some real reason to tell what it said. And when
May.
May.
Dad.
Died. He figured out that what it was. I never was saw two people love each other so much.
I don't know what this means. Then I knew that even though nobody in the world figured that old car had a good purpose, had any good purpose. I don't know how to pronounce it. What's that? Its name?
Ob.
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 Ob. Okay.
Ob.
Ob. Knew.
There was something with some real with
What's the reason to do that? Why? The reason. What's that?
Personification. 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 Personification.
The
Practice
of
representing
a thing or idea as a person.
Personification. 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 Personification.
You named this word after.
Reason.
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 Reason. There is a reason why they don't want to
Come.
Want to come. There is a reason why they don't want to come.
Reason.
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 Can I spell it?
R-E-A-S-O-N. Reason.
Okay. Ob knew there was some real
Reason to tell that it's set. And then when man died, he figured out what it was.
I don't know what is that.
What does this example of
Her smile was a mile wide. What's that?
is why they don't want to come. There is a reason. Reason.
Reason.
Reason.
Reason.
Reason.
Reason.
Reason.
Reason.
Reason.
Hyperbole.
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 hyperbole,
hyperbole is like exaggerating something. Okay, exaggeration.
hyperbole, hyperbole, hyperbole,
Okay. Hyperbole. Okay. A mile high ice cream cones. Okay.
Ice cream cones.
Okay, a cone cannot be a mile high, right? They just exaggerated, and basically they want to tell you the cone is very, very high. So this is called hyperbole.
hyperbole,
Hyperbole.
hyperbole, hyperbole, hyperbole,
Okay, spell it.
Hyperbole.
Okay, exaggerate. Exaggeration. Okay, exaggeration.
Exaggeration.
Yeah. Okay. What does this example of
hyperbole, 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 hyperbole,
What does this example of hyperbole tell you?
okay?
Nobody in the world. It suggests that the car travels around the world. It suggests that
Up,
Hobbes
up.
does not believe the car is what it
No.
belongs. It suggests that very few people thought the car had a
Purpose.
purpose.
Okay, then which one?
This one.
Okay.
This one.
Very few. Because you say nobody in the world.
Summit.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah. Let's read it. Okay. Hyperbole. Oh, so many things.
I hope he's all right. I thought you did.
Uncle.
Uncle said about good old
Being curse. Okay. It's
Amazing.
basically it's if you have it, then you will have bad luck. Okay. Curse. What's that? Hyperbole.
hyperbole, hyperbole, hyperbole,
Okay, here's example.
My
High, mile, high.
ice cream cone.
Okay, a mile high ice cream cone. The cone cannot be that high, right? That's exaggeration. Hyperbole, exaggerate. Okay, we just read some of it. Okay, curse.
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 Oh, not that one. A magic word. Let's stop here.